Chapter 5. Breathing. Key points. Process of breathing. Breathing speed. Need for clean air. Good breathing habits. Mohit, why do we breathe all the time? We need to breathe in air to stay alive. Not only human beings, but all other living things also need to breathe to remain alive. All living things breathe to stay alive. We need oxygen to live. The air we breathe is rich in oxygen. Oxygen helps in releasing energy from the food we eat. This process of releasing energy from the food is known as respiration. The carbon dioxide which is produced during respiration is breathed out by us. Process of breathing. The process of breathing in air which is rich in oxygen is called inhalation. The inhaled air goes through the windpipe into our lungs. Windpipe is a long tube that connects our nose to our lungs. The lungs are protected by the rib cage. The rib cage has 12 pairs of curved bones connected to the breastbone in the front and backbone at the back. It also protects the heart. A strong muscle called diaphragm lies below the lungs. The diaphragm moves our chest in and out when we breathe out and breathe in respectively. The diaphragm moves down when we inhale air. Our lungs expand due to the air taken in. This process of breathing air in is called inhalation. When we breathe out air, the diaphragm relaxes and moves up. Now, the air is pushed out from the lungs. This process of breathing air out is called exhalation. Let's go an extra mile. The windpipe branches into two smaller tubes called bronchi at its lower end. Bronchi are connected to the lungs. Breathing speed. When we run or do physical exercises, the rate of our breathing increases because our body needs more energy. For more energy, more oxygen is required and hence, we breathe at a faster rate than normal. When we breathe out, the lungs contract and their volume decreases. As a result, carbon dioxide is released from the lungs along with the air present in it. Do you know that the air that you exhale is humid and hot? Put your hand in front of your mouth and blow out air. You will feel that the blown out air is humid and hot. It is because the inside body is hot and has an average temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go an extra mile. Human heart beats about 72 times per minute. Doctors use a stethoscope to listen to the heartbeat. Need for clean air. To remain healthy, we must breathe in clean and fresh air. Unclean air which harms our health is called polluted air. Dust, smoke and poisonous gases released by factories and vehicles make the air polluted. If we inhale polluted air, we may suffer from different health problems like asthma, sneezing and coughing, burning eyes, throat irritation, etc. Polluted air may cause lung diseases and even lung cancer. Good breathing habits. We should not breathe through our mouth. It is good to breathe through the nose. We should not cover our nose while sleeping. We should sleep in good postures that allow us to breathe freely. Elder talk. We should keep our respiratory system strong and fit. For this, we should practice taking deep and long breaths. Read and recall. Every living being requires air to breathe to stay alive. Respiration is the process of inhaling and exhaling air. We breathe in oxygen-rich air. We breathe out carbon dioxide-rich air. Our breathing speed changes with different activities. The air that we exhale is humid and hot. Unclean air which is harmful for our health is called polluted air. We should breathe through our nose.